Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Watch Latest. Welcome back to another video. So viewers, in this video I have brought the beautiful collection of beautiful transparent bodycon dresses. These bodycon are specially designed for formal teen because they are so gorgeous to wear in your formal or as a party wear. So here is the most beautiful collection for dinner, and it looks so gorgeous when you wear these beautiful outfits. And so if I talk about their stuff, the stuff is made up of a sheer, and this is a sheer mesh stuff, and it is very beautiful and soft to wear, and it looks so awesome, and this is absolutely very gorgeous. So it will give you such a glossy look. So if you will focus on the beautiful design, these designs gives you such an amazing look and a beautiful interior. So these beautiful and awesome look are made for beautiful events. These transparent dresses are designed for your casual as well as formal teen as well. Viewers, don't forget to share and like my video. If you want to buy these beautiful outfits, you can visit out the online websites, and there are multiple online options are also available. So thanks for watching this video. I can suggest you some online options such as Amazon or Shein.com, where you can go and buy these beautiful training outfits for your casual as well as warmer teen.